Happy Friday, Amazon sellers. This is Amazon Sellers Breaking News, Friday, October 4th, 2019. At the end of today's 5-minute news broadcast, I'm going to give you some bad news, how Amazon is using your new terms of service against you. So please watch this video to the end and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the button right next to my picture at the top of the screen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. First breaking news story, IP complaints. Brands are making more and more complaints against sellers. We saw a dramatic increase in complaints yesterday, specifically in auto parts and automobile accessories. So if you're in that business, you better watch out. IP complaints are rolling in. With the growing IP issues, the Vorys law firm is sending out what seems to be more Vorys letters than ever. Vorys letters threaten Amazon sellers with a whole bunch of claims. Many of them are baseless. Here and there you'll see a claim with merit. If you receive a Vorys letter, we have dealt with countless Vorys letters, and I'll go through the letter with you and let you know whether any of the claims have merit, or if the claims are entirely baseless. Also, you do not have to respond and give any information to the Vorys law firm or any other law firm that sends you a threatening letter. Give us a call and I'll go over it with you. Also, with the increasing number of intellectual property right complaints comes an increasing amount of baseless counterfeit complaints, where you're accused of selling counterfeit products even though you delivered genuine products, or you're a drop shipper and you didn't deliver any products at all. And if you didn't deliver any products at all, you certainly didn't deliver any counterfeit ones. Okay, breaking news story number 2, forged documents. Now, we see these all the time. Sellers get fake documents. Sellers are sold fake documents. We've even seen companies entirely set up just to give you fake invoices. It is not a good long-term strategy to get fake invoices. You're buying your products someplace, wherever you're buying them from, whether it's gray market or not, get a legitimate invoice from a distributor who will answer their phone when Amazon calls. That's how you make money in this business in the long haul. Stay away from websites that make forged documents for you. One thing you also need to know is, while Amazon has denied maintaining a database of invoices, I don't believe it's true. So make sure you get real invoices from wherever or whomever you're getting your products from. Okay, third breaking news story, the incredible upcoming events for Amazon sellers on October 10th, Seller Labs is having an online summit with incredible speakers. That's October 10th at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't have to travel anyplace. On October 15th in Delhi, India, indiasourcingtrip.com. And I get at this point in time, if you're not booked to go to Delhi, you're probably not going to go. But please check out their Facebook page and the website, indiasourcingtrip.com, so you can start to get up to speed on sourcing your products from countries other than China, where there is a tremendous trade war that just seems to be ramping up. You're going to get hit with tariffs. Your prices are going to go up. Look for other countries to source your products from. October 27, 28, and 29, Global Sources in Hong Kong is a tremendous event for Amazon sellers, for private label sellers to learn how to source in China. And Ecom Chicago, October 16, 17, and 18. You can drive there. It is a half hour outside of Chicago in Schaumburg, Illinois. It's an absolutely tremendous event where you're going to get inspired by other sellers and learn from some of the top speakers in the world, including Travis Stockman from this office. IndiaSourcingTrip.com is also giving me the opportunity to travel to India for the first time, and I'm doing a side trip to Hyderabad and meeting with people who were trained and worked for Amazon, reading plans of action. I'm meeting with people who dealt with IP complaints who work for Amazon. If you have any questions about a plan of action, any question about intellectual property rights that you want answered from people who were trained by and worked for Amazon reading these things, email me your question and I will ask Amazon's former staff what they were trained to look for, how they read these things, what they want from sellers, and any questions you submit to me, I will ask from people who were trained by Amazon and who worked for Amazon. Last breaking news story of the day. Amazon imposed a new terms of service on you on August 16th of 2019. We have gone through that contract line by line by line, and we have now about 20 different videos on our YouTube channel explaining each and every provision to you. What you need to know about is Amazon is now enforcing those new provisions against experienced sellers. What they're doing is putting the business verification problems that Amazon imposed upon new sellers over the last year or so and putting those burdens onto experienced and long-term sellers. So what do you need to do? You need to make sure you have your bank statements, your business licenses, your corporate creation documents, your utility bills, your leases, your insurance policies. Have all those documents at the ready, because at any point in time, Amazon can ask you to provide business verification documents. We are seeing a rise in the number of calls from experienced Amazon sellers where Amazon is asking for documents. And if you don't have it, it slows things down. You're putting your business at risk. So have your documents at the ready. Call Ashland Haddon, get your liability coverage, have your leases, your employment agreements, your utility bills, have your business documents ready to provide to Amazon. Okay, that's Amazon Sellers Breaking News for today, Friday, October 4th, 2019.